Hey everyone, I have a quick tip for today, how to clean up white and yellow in greenery in Lightroom. All right, so a lot of times when we're shooting, white things can be just not quite pure white when we photograph them. And that can be because our white balance is a little bit off, we might have underexposed, and there might be a color cast, which I think is happening in this case. These are the Lily of the Valley, and it was beautiful. It was just so gorgeous today. And the rain had been falling all morning. It was just nice and soft. But we do have an issue when it comes to color. These are not pure white, and I want them to be. And also, I'm seeing a lot of yellow. And because Lily of the Valley are tucked back in amongst all the leaves, you have that green color cast, which is reading to my eye as yellow. So just a couple quick tips to fix this. Number one, I'm going to use my white balance tool right on one of the Lily of the Valleys. Perfect, because they're supposed to be pure white. And then because I mentioned that yellow was being a problem, I'm going to go down here to the color panel and click on yellow and then just pull the saturation out. And voila, we have cleaned up Lily of the Valley. To finish this, I'm just going to pump the whites up a little bit, which brighten those Lily of the Valley. And then if I wanted to do some final editing, I could crop this. I could go in and clean up any blemishes that I might see. I have some dust spots from my sensor that I need to clean up. I could go in here and get rid of any blemishes that are on the flowers. I might do a little noise reduction because this was F9 and it was fairly dark. You can see that the histogram is a little bit dark there. So I could do some of the cleanup here, some dust spots. You can see all that. But other than that, that cleans up the color, and then I can continue working from there, either here or in Photoshop. All right, thanks. I hope this helps.